Good day! This is Lavenia Dacullo of Amando College. Today, we are going to have a very short tutorial about the different parts of speech. Parts of speech is sometimes confusing because it has many rules, uses, and how they are being used in a sentence. But don't worry, because as we go through this online tutorial, we will be able to understand the differences, their rules, and how they are being used in a particular sentence. So sit back and relax and let us learn together. For us to get started with, let us know the different parts of speech. We have the noun, the pronoun, the adjective, the adverb, the preposition, the conjunction, and the interjection. First, we have the noun. Noun is defined as the name of people, places, things, and animals, like the dog, the teacher, the place. An example sentence is, the sun shines and Anna goes to school. The underlined word is sun and it names a thing, while Anna is the name of a person and school is the name of a place. Next, we have the pronoun. It is used in place of a noun or noun phrase to avoid repetition. I have your I, you, them, it, we, and those. An example sentence is, John is hungry, he wants to eat. Instead of using John on the next sentence, we put he to avoid the repetition. Next, we have the verb. Verb shows an action or a state of being, like go, walk, and play. An example sentence is, the cat and dog runs. The cat and dog are the subjects, while runs is the verb. Next, we have the adjective. Adjective describes, modifies, or gives more information about a noun or pronoun, like beautiful, smart, and strong. An example sentence is, brown dog, big garden, fat cat. Brown modifies the color of the dog. Big modifies the size of the garden. Fat modifies the size of the cat. Next, we have the adverb. Adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells how often, where, and when, like quickly, always, well, and to. An example sentence is, runs quickly, eats very slowly. Very slowly modifies the verb eat. Quickly modifies the verb runs. Next, we have the preposition. It shows the relationship between words in a sentence, like in, on, beside, to, behind, in, inside, out of. An example sentence is, I am going to my garden. The preposition word used is to, the one with the underline of red color. And I am going to my garden is now a sentence. Next, we have the conjunction. Connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. We have and, either, but, neither, because, unless, so, and after. An example sentence is, I was tired so I went to sleep. The conjunction used is so to connect two phrases, I was tired and I went to sleep. We now have I was tired so I go to sleep. Next, we have the interjection. Interjections is an exclamations rather that expresses strong feelings like aha, gosh, hey, great, and hi, and oops. An example sentence is, oops, I spilled the milk. And that's it. I hope that you learned something new from this short tutorial. For us to know if you really do, we have prepared an activity for you. I have your poem and you are going to identify the parts of speech. I am going to read it for you. Winter and summer is an ice cream treat, all frosty, wet, and cold to eat. But summer is a lemonade of yellow sun and straw cool shade. We hope that after watching this tutorial, you have acquired new learning and understanding about the different parts of speech. Again, this has been your tutor, Lavenia Dacullo, signing off.